So last weekend we went to a train show, and Nolan got a train whistle. Show him the train whistle. And then yesterday he's like, Mom, I wrote something from one of the trains at the train show. Look what it says. Oh, he'll read it to you.
Train's heart ho.
Train's heart ho. He remembers that on a train. Obviously he doesn't know what that means, but I just thought it was so
That's
funny.
the name of the train show.
Train's heart ho?
Yeah. Or Train's heart ho or Train's love ho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you blow it already?